Samsung begins rolling out One UI 7 beta in 6 countries. After a significant wait and multiple delays, Samsung has officially announced the One UI 7 beta program for its Galaxy smartphones. It is one of the biggest One UI updates in the company's history. The Android 15-based One UI 7 has changed a lot, including new AI features, a brand new look, an improved camera experience, and more. The One UI 7 beta program is available only in select regions, including India, Korea, Germany, Poland, the UK, and the US. However, Samsung will expand its availability in the coming weeks in the other regions of Europe and the rest of the world. Also, the One UI 7 is rolling out to Galaxy S24 series devices only. Interested users can join the program through the Samsung Members app. The company will likely roll out the beta program to more eligible Galaxy devices. One UI 7 introduces a design overhaul with a simplified home screen, redesigned widgets, and a streamlined lock screen. New features include advanced AI text tools for summarizing, grammar checks, and formatting, plus call transcripts in 20 languages. The Now bar provides quick access to activities and notifications, akin to iOS's live activities. The camera UX offers improved previews, simplified pro modes, and smoother zoom controls for enhanced functionality. Samsung's One UI 7 introduces new security features, including the No Matrix dashboard for connected device security, enhanced data protection for secure data recovery, passkey access for Samsung accounts, and options to block 2G service and unauthorized USB access.